In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom website components with AI. To get started, head over to the website section on the left side of your screen. Once you're there, look to the top right and select Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to your site layout, content, and design. If you're new to this area, don't worry. Everything you need for this process is built right into the editor. After you enter editing mode, move your attention to the right-hand pane. In that panel, you'll see several options, and the one you want is the Chat tab. Go ahead and open that. This is where the AI assistant becomes especially useful because it allows you to request website changes using plain language instead of building everything manually. Inside the Chat tab, you can type instructions to the AI and ask it to help modify your website. One of the most useful things you can do here is create a custom website component. This is helpful when you want something more tailored to your brand or layout, such as a unique content section, a styled container, or a more personalized design element. The key here is to be clear in your description so the AI can generate something closer to what you want on the first try. Now in the chat box, enter a description of the custom container or component you want to create. Be as specific as needed about the structure, style, or purpose of the section. For example, you might describe how you want it to look, what kind of content it should hold, or where it should fit within the page. The more clearly you describe the component, the better the AI can interpret your request and build something useful for you. Once you've entered your prompt, submit it and wait for the AI to generate the component. This can take a little time, so give it a moment to finish processing. Depending on the complexity of your request, the response may appear quickly or after a short pause. During this step, it's best to be patient and let the AI complete the build. And once it's done, your custom component will be ready. At that point, you can review what the AI created in the editor and continue refining your website from there if needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.